In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Temu Pay Later option. Easy tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to shop on Temu, choose a buy now, pay later plan, and stay on top of your payments with confidence. Start by opening the Temu app or website and browsing for the items you want. Add them to your cart as you go. Take a moment to check sizes, color options, and shipping times, and glance at recent reviews so there are no surprises. When your cart looks good, head to checkout. At checkout, review your cart one more time. Remove anything you no longer need and apply any available coupons or credits before you continue. Confirm the order total, including taxes and shipping, since that's what your payment plan will be based on. When you're ready, proceed to the next screen. Enter your shipping details carefully. Type your full name, street address, apartment or unit number if needed, city, state, and postal code. A quick double check here avoids delivery delays. Make sure the phone and email you provide are ones you actively use, since order updates and payment reminders will arrive there. On the payment screen, look for the Buy Now, Pay Later, or Pay in Installments section. Choose the service you prefer, such as Klarna, Afterpay, or Affirm. In some regions, PayPal also offers a Pay Later option when you select PayPal as your method. Availability can vary by country, order size, and your account history, so you'll see only the options you're eligible for. Next, you'll be prompted to log into the provider you selected. After logging in, you'll see the payment plans offered for your order. Common choices include paying in 4 interest-free installments or selecting longer-term financing that may include interest. Read the details, including any interest, fees, and the exact due dates. Pick the plan that fits your budget and cash flow. Some providers run a quick eligibility check, and they'll show you your installment schedule before you commit. Before placing the order, review everything: the total cost, the installment dates, and the card that will be charged. The first payment, often around 25% of the total, is usually charged right away, so make sure there are sufficient funds in the linked account. Confirm the purchase, and you should receive an order confirmation from Temu and a separate schedule from your payment provider. After your purchase, watch for an email with your full payment timeline. Manage upcoming installments directly in the provider's app or website. Consider enabling reminders or autopay. Keep your card details current and pay on time to avoid late fees. You can track your shipment in Temu, and if you make a return, the provider will adjust your plan according to their policies. And that's it. Enjoy your purchase while staying in control of your budget.